In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to properly install Blender 4 on Linux. Now, first of all, obviously you have to download it, and when you have downloaded it you end up with the tar.xz archive. You can right-click this archive and extract it. This takes a short moment, and then once you have fully extracted it, you end up with a folder. Now, this folder you can place anywhere you like, so I'm going to cut it once it has finished and paste it in an apps directory located in my home folder. Now open the Blender folder that you have extracted, and inside it you find a Blender file, just called Blender, not blender.desktop. Open the Blender file, and then you go to Edit, Preferences, System, and click on Register. Now you have to enter your password. And once you have done so, you are now able to double-click any Blender file and have it instantly open in Blender. You also have a new entry in your Start menu under Graphics called Blender that you can click.